Hello, this is Jason. I'm gonna give you a nice video here of a 2014 Moffett M55 sitting here showing 1,989 hours. It has a 12-foot mast, a backrest. It also has brick and block forks, but we can switch you out for pallet forks at no charge, but you will not get the brick and block forks if you wish to have pallet forks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this thing has been completely refurbished and repainted. When we repaint these, we remove the roll cage, the seat, many of these covers. As you can see, I have a new cover here. You have these battery box covers, hydraulic manifold covers, the hood, the back door, all that's removed, this diamond plating. We paint the gray parts that are removed separately, gray, then we paint it red, then we put it all back together so you have a nice thick coat of paint in between everything. This thing would glisten in the sun if we were outside. Now, also, it's been completely refurbished. What we've done when we refurbish is we look for anything weird, such as pins, bushings, mast chains, bearings, rollers, anything that's wearable on this. If we find it to be out of spec, we go ahead and replace it. If it's found to be working properly, it's left alone. We also pressure and leak test it. The hydraulic pump, if it's found to be in good working order, then we look for leaks, such as in the hoses, in the wheel motors, any of the hydraulic fittings, any of the cylinders. If anything like that's found to be leaking, it's taken out, repaired, and put back in. Now take a look at this Kubota engine. This is a Kubota V2203. Very reliable motor. It's proven itself over the years. As you can see, nice clean engine bay. This thing looks almost new, ladies and gentlemen. Why even buy new? Because what we're going to do is we're going to back you up with an operational guarantee. You can watch this video, listen to what we have to say about it, look at the pictures. If you agree to pay for it, we'll deliver it to you for additional charge. And if anything in here isn't like I've said, we'll go ahead and back you up and help you get it fixed. That is when you get it. Now, once you go to work, that deal is done. But we do also offer a warranty on the engine. It is what we call a 30-day warranty that is provided by us on this Kubota engine. You can buy with confidence, ladies and gentlemen. The back tire is about 50% or more. You probably have 70% on the fronts. This thing is standing tall. So what we're going to do is give you a little bit of operation. We're going to show you how nice she runs. First, we'll do some hydraulic operations and give you a special treat, show it driving around the shop a little bit here. So you got your Kubota engine coming to life. Here's your mast going up and down. Tilt. Side shift. Mast carriage going in and out. We also have your outriggers. Now we'll drive it around the storage building here and show you how nice everything runs, how it's in sync, tight steering. This thing is tip-top shape, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, all your wheel motors are working perfectly. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can give us a call at 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998. You also could check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. So that's the two numbers, 99LIFTS.com. Thanks for checking out this video.